What's up TNS family, welcome back to our channel. It's your face.
It's your boy Tuxx. It's about midday. We had a couple of things to do. And you know what? We're like, bro, we're hungry. So we tried to come here the other night, but we're not.
Yeah, yesterday. We tried to come here yesterday. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so it was really busy the other night we came, so we've seen the opportunity to be able to come through now, and
we just wanted to come because one of the bridesmaids, her name is, what's her name? Anna Marie. Anna Marie said that she came and ate here. I ate here with Diane and the girls like 2 years ago, and it was really good. It's just the food took ages to come out, but hey. But I thought I'll bring Taru and Baby to try out their seafood. I'm so excited because I got a lobster. And Taru got a mule and steak. And Tua just got the fish.
Bro, today is sunny. It's not like hot as, but it's warm enough to have sweaty for arms. Peep the jersey. Shout out to Uncle Jay and Auntie Chris.
Uncle Jay and Auntie Chris, they go for Queensland, but they know what's up. Yeah. They know what's up.
Yeah. And you know what's up if you're watching Queenslander.
Okay guys, I'm gonna try my food out. Oh. The mushroom, some fries.
It's good, the food, like the main dish is hot, but the chips are cold. And the salad's cold too. But yeah, other than that, it's nice. Sera's steak's nice.
Okay, I'm gonna try the lobster. Why is the lobster so cold? Honey. It's like they took the skin all out.
What's up guys, so obviously we're in the car right now and we're headed to the back to Vavau. So we've never been there before, we've just driven past it and we thought, you know what, it's a beautiful day to go out there, have a look, have a little swim, and especially take our little boy here. But yeah. fam, so we're in my grandma's village, a family house. And this is Little Monga. As we were coming in, Cesar was just asking if we could cross through the river, because there's times where it'll just be too high and you can't cross. So also when the tide goes up and you can't pass your car, you'll either just park it up and cross over this bridge, or just wait for it to get low. So as we pulled up, we looked in the water and it wasn't that wavy, and then we jumped in and no, it's pretty rough. So nice, man. Yeah, guys, this is our first time here at Vavau Beach. Very nice.
No, I don't want to go down.
As we entered, the lady comes to the side and it was $40 to get in.
Is it $40, guys? Comment down below.
$40. I think we're just lucky that all of the paliotos were empty, so you could just take your pick, but I could only imagine on a busy day you wouldn't be able to kind of take your pick, even though there's heaps here, but yeah. Okay fam, I think that's today. We're gonna get into some water footage.
Let me tell them.
Hold up.
Guys, I highly recommend like coming more out, like exactly where we are right now. It's really sandy, beautiful.
Yeah.
But when walking in, it's like really rocky and it has like those dead reef, and it could cut your feet. Like
yeah, sharp, eh?
They were sharp. So definitely recommend these bad boys.
Yeah, so these reef shoes, got them from Big W. I think it was like $10 or something, $9. And also another recommendation, if you get a rental car, don't get like, and you want to come here, don't get a small like car, because we've got the Cruiser and lucky it's high, you know, like four-wheel drive kind of terrain, and the road was crazy. It was so bad, but yeah, let's get into some water footage, man. It's not for your head. Maybe that's a junior. It's beautiful down there. He says there, fam.
Hi, baby. Who's standing?
She's sitting on the rope. Oh yeah, those ones are the ones in the middle. Let's go, let's go.
Guys, I always do this. We wait until the locals go and then we go.
Oh man.
Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Come on.
Alright fam, so we decided to jump out of the water and have a look on the other side. Got the men over here cleaning the beach. But they've got a few bags, yeah, they got a few bags full. And look at this. Oh man, so good.
That's
Clear.
the other side.
Yeah. But
Lucky.
nevertheless,
Oh, he's got sand in his mouth.
still beautiful. Yum?
Are you hungry?
Yum?
Okay guys, we just got out of the water. Oh, looking a bit rough here, but we're gonna go have a shower. They have like cubicles here. We'll just do a rinse off and then we'll go back home and we'll rinse here and then we'll go home and have a proper shower. Wait, do they have a shower here? Does it? Oh, there is a. Okay, this is what the showers look like. A bit dark. So a quick rinse. Twirly.
Good job, baby.
Yeah, good job. Face. Okay, thank you. All done. All done. Open eye. Guys, I broke the shower. Just in case the family want to charge us. I didn't break anything.
No, not mommy. But yeah, look at that, man. Oh my
That is
goodness.
beautiful.
This just does not even need commentary, mate. Look at it.
You know what? Roll the clip.
Unreal. roll the clip, Sarah. Bang. Hey guys, so this is the road that we're talking about. It's very bad, so we truly advise that get like a ute or a four-wheel drive, or what like Sis said, a high car. Because look at this. This is only like a little bit of
this
it.
is like good. When it gets over there, it's so bad.
Man. So I'll show you guys a little bit of it.
They need to fix the road.
We made it. We made it.
This guy loves his bongos.
She'll surely keep me company while jumping puddles.
So fam, this is my granddad's village, Salangi. That thingy there, that's where we're descended from. And this is where I done myself up with my chief title. So yeah, it's nice ass. Very quiet. Very quiet. Everyone must be
It looks different.
true.
Okay guys, so we're currently here at Tomesina. They have a Friday night buffet, seafood buffet, and we decided that we'll come and have dinner here. We just got home, we quickly got ready, and then we came. He loves his prawns.
Loves. So I had to love opening them.
Anyways, we're gonna close the vlog here. I'm gonna enjoy our dinner, and we will see you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, share.
And subscribe!